My screen now?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Okay. Okay. So let me just give you a quick overview of what exactly this course is all about. But before talking about the course, let me just give me an introduction. So my name is Gaurav and I'm working with SAP from around 12 years now. And over these 12 years, I have worked on different responsibilities. So I started as a consultant and was a solution architect, and currently I am working as a project manager, plus I am being responsible for SAP S/4HANA offerings. So this is about me, and talking about this particular course. So as you know, we have actually combined two courses to form a package, which means we are combining the normal FI-CO with the SAP S/4HANA Finance. Okay, so what we are going to talk about in this course is we are going to start off with the basics of SAP. Okay, in which there is some background noise. Zubair, can you just mute yourself for some time, and whenever you have question, you can just unmute yourself.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, thank you. So we'll be starting off with the basics of SAP ERP. Okay, so as you can see, so even if you don't have any experience into SAP, okay, or maybe if you are already the SAP consultant who has some exposure into basic FI or basic CO, and you want to take a complete expertise into this module, so this is a course for them. So irrespective of whether you are trained on SAP or you are completely fresher on SAP, or you want to add the new skills into FI/CO, so this course is perfectly for you because we are going to start everything from scratch. So we'll be talking about what exactly the ERP is, where exactly SAP falls in, and then we'll be concentrating on the financial and controlling part of it. So within SAP FI, we'll be talking about all these topics. So we are not going to uh, skip any of the topic, whatever comes under FI. As you can see, we are going to talk about the organization structure, the general ledger accounting, which includes both the classic GL accounting vis-a-vis the new GL accounting, account payables, okay, which includes your all the transactions related to vendor, maybe it is the advance payments, the normal payments, the invoices, the credit notes, whatever comes under the accounts payables we are going to talk about in the account payables topics. Then we have account receivables, asset accounting, and bank accounting. So these are some of the topics that we'll be talking from the financial accounting point of view. Now, if you are already a SAP consultant, maybe sometimes it happens that a consultant is already working from last 3-4 years, but it only normally you are only expert into SAP FI. As you can see, we are not only going to concentrate on FI, we are also going to talk about the controlling in detail. Okay, so we'll be talking about the overview to controlling, cost element accounting, cost center accounting, internal orders, profit center accounting, product costing, material ledger, and profitability analysis. These are the three important topics which are very rare, which are covered in FI/CO courses. So we are going to give a complete dedication to this topic. So at the end of this course, you can expect the expertise into product costing, profitability analysis, and material ledger. Okay, and we are again not going to stop here, because as we know that from last 2 years, customers are not only looking for the consultants who are good in FI/CO, but they also want someone who is also trained in SAP S/4HANA Finance. So that is also one of the topic or one of the course that is merged with our normal FI/CO. So we'll be talking about SAP S/4HANA Finance. Now within SAP S/4HANA Finance, SAP provides two different courses. One is when you are implementing SAP for the first time, and second is when you are migrating from normal ERP to SAP S/4HANA. So in this course, we are going to talk about both these topics. We'll be talking about how the new customer will implement SAP S/4HANA Finance, and we'll also talk about how the existing customers who are using SAP as of today, how they can migrate to SAP S/4HANA Finance. So whatever comes under AC 100 and AC 110, these are the two courses which are provided by SAP. We are not going to skip any of the topic. We'll be talking each and every topic in detail during this training. So this is just about what we are going to talk about in this course. If I provide you the duration, I think it will be around 35 hours of FI-CO and 35 to 40 hours of SAP FI-CO and around 25 to 30 hours for SAP S/4HANA Finance. So consolidate, if you consolidate both, it will be around 60 to 70 hours of training that we'll be taking in this course. So if you have any questions, you can just go ahead and ask. Suren, Zubair, do you have any questions? Yeah.
Excuse me, sir, can you hear me?
Sorry, Zubair?
Can you hear me, sir, clearly?
Yes, I can hear you now. Yeah, there is one question from Suren. He is asking how long is each session? Normally, the session will be around 1.5 hours. Okay, per session will be around 1.5 hours. We are yet to decide the timings and all, so you can discuss with Zahir. So whatever timings he will be providing, minimum it will be 1.5 hours per session.
Hello?
Yes, Zubair?
Sir, I have to just confirm one thing. Did you provide us some sample data? So I just use this as an example for be a functional consultant and understand that these all topics.
Yes. See, what we are going to do is whenever we are going to talk about a particular topic, we are going to do all these things in the system directly. So whatever data I will be using, you can use the same data to create your own scenarios also. Okay, so it will not be only theoretical. We are going to do all these things in the practical system.
Controlling part, we are expecting some supply chain thing because sorry to say I am new in a controlling area, so maybe you help me. And lastly, can you also help us to control some technical issues, something like the error that we probably made during normal course of implementations?
Yes, see, whenever we are going to talk about any particular topic, let's say when we are talking about the cost element accounting or cost center accounting. So when you are going for the implementation project, how are you going to upload the cost center master data, for example, because you will need a technical help. Either you need to create an LSMW or you need to ask your technical consultant to create a BDC. So that particular thing will be discussed in that topic. So whenever possible, I'll be talking about how you can take the help of a technical consultant, what is your responsibility as a functional consultant that you need to provide to the technical consultant. That will be discussed also in this course.
And sir, last question, are you sure that each area we are expecting a 36 hour, so 36 hour will cover up all of these areas because
No, I'm not saying fixed 36 hours. I'm just giving you the approximate figure around 35 to 40 hours for FI-CO and around 25 to 30 hours for the simple finance. So these are the rough estimates based on whatever courses we covered till now. It may happen that we may end up with 50 hours. That is not a problem at all. But this is just an average figure which I'm providing to you.
okay, sir. So if I need any help or redo work, for example, I'm not good in something for I forgot some procedure I don't understand. So probably there will be some backup plan for me. For example, I'm not good. I'm not able to understand one thing. I'm not able to do it properly. So I need your help. So I think this thing will not going in that way. Okay, boy, we have only 1 hour for this job, so I
No,
can't
no,
do
no,
further.
no, not at all, because I'm into this training from last 5 years now. And every time when somebody is asking me the question, I don't go away and I don't shy away and telling that, okay, this has been covered, I'm not going to
Yes,
cover this
okay.
again. That is
That is
not a
excellent.
problem at all. No, no, no. Even sometimes it may happen that if you need additional session, I will ask you to join 15 minutes earlier so that I can clarify your doubt. Or maybe I'll ask you to wait for, at the end of the session, wait for 15 minutes so that your doubt gets clarified.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Very kind.
Yes, Suren, do you have any other question? That I think, Zahir, can you just provide him the answer, whether it will be on weekends or weekdays, how we are planning exactly?
Yeah, it will be weekdays, right? Because it's long-term course, the combination of
Yes, it will be
FI-CO and yeah, it's for Hana Simple Finance. So it will be around 70 hours duration. It may be more. Okay. So we are planning for weekdays. One
great.
hour, 1 hour every day. Okay. And it will
One and
be
a half hour, because 1 hour will be too less. So
yeah,
one
yeah,
to
one
one and a
hour and
half
a
hour.
half hour depending upon. But it will be weekdays, so we can able to cover complete, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes. Gaurav. Otherwise it will take a time.
No, 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 that is fine. We should have this on weekdays.
Weekdays. And it will be complete with means materials, all the documents. You'll get the complete certification documents for both the modules, FI-CO as well as for HANA. Okay. You'll get supported document. You'll get complete recording videos of each FI-CO as well as S/4HANA. Okay, and the system access. Okay, system access will provide you for the FI-CO for 2 months and FI S/4HANA for Simple Finance for 2 months. I think it's sufficient for it, right? 2 months, Toro.
Yes, yes, I think around 2 months.
2 months that will be FI-CO and 2 months for the S/4HANA Simple Finance.
No, 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 not 2 months. It will be around 2.5 months or 3 months for both of these topics, because we'll be taking around 1.5 hour on daily basis.
Right. So Suren is saying, I guess it will be go around 8 to 9 weeks, 5 sessions per week.
Yeah, see, 5 sessions per week. See, actually all it depends, but if I just give you the rough figure, let's say for example, uh,
One,
9 weeks. Okay, let's take,
yeah, 1.5 hour, right? Per 1.5 hour, right?
yeah, so it will be around 7.5 hours in a week. If I divide this into 9, it
Hmm.
is coming to around 68 hours. So you're right. So around 9 weeks or maximum 11 weeks, we'll be able to complete both these things. But anyways, we are not going to worry about the timelines. We want to make sure that each and everything is covered and you are able to understand each and everything. So even if
Yeah.
sometime it happens that you are not able to understand a particular topic, we end up having two or three more sessions. That is also perfectly fine. We just want to make sure whatever topics are written here, they are covered in detail.
Suren, do you have the mic, headphone, something else so you can speak?
Can you hear me now?
Yes,
Yeah,
Suren.
it's good, good. So you can discuss. Yes, Suren. So do you have any questions about?
So you guys are all in India.
Yeah, it's in India.
What time we want to have this meet sessions?
It will be right 5:30. Gaurav, what time we have decided?
Want is in the morning, right?
At what 8 a.m. right?
Morning is fine with you. Then it will be 7 a.m. 7 to 8:30.
7 to 8:30.
It
Yeah,
will as
7 to
per the
8:30
IST time. Yeah, 7 to
IST.
8:30.
Yes.
Yeah, and I think it will be a evening of your 8:30, right?
Oh, your
8:30
time 7 to
p.m.
8:30
8:30
morning.
p.m. That will be I think Eastern time. Yes, Suren?
7 a.m. IST means it will be 9:30 p.m. EST.
Okay, okay. So CST that will be 8:30.
Yeah.
9:30. How it will become 9:30 and say 1.5 hour difference, right?
2.5 hours. Recently there is a time change.
Okay, okay.
See, this is my proposed time. So Zahir, maybe you can discuss with all and you can finalize if there is some other time which they are comfortable with. So this is what I provided my proposed time. If you want some other timings, that also we can discuss.
Yes, Suren, do you have any?
Yeah, 9:30 night 9:30 is perfect for me.
Okay.
You can check with other guys.
What about Zubair?
Me know your time. It will be a better. So something like after. Uh, I actually didn't think about this. Just let me know your requirement. Where settles other guy. So let me know that. Then I will tell you. But okay, I will adjust it.
Yeah, it will be your
So
6:30. It will be your 6:30 morning.
6:30 of my morning.
Yeah, is it
Really?
6:30 in morning for you?
Actually, it is certainly going out of my range. Please do something.
Early morning, it's not so. 6:30 in morning. So it will early morning. It will be fresh, right?
Yes, actually, I'm work with US timing. So that means I start a work from uh, 1 p.m. from my side, and I just go to the bed at 6 a.m. I'm just work with the US timeline because I'm also a freelancer. So
Mhm.
this thing definitely hurt me.
So is it convenient for you or not?
Uh, okay, we will take out this issue later. No problem.
Okay. Okay.
Because if I want to learn something,
Mhm. Okay, we will decide. I think it's 7. Okay, it will half an hour. We can adjust if it's early morning for you, so we can adjust 7:30. It will be your 7 o'clock.
no, it's
Hmm?
no, it's all right. It's all right. It will be a better some if I get this earlier, something like a 4,
Mhm.
3, 2, or earlier.
Okay. Okay.
It's all right.
Okay. Okay. No problems. Yeah.
If all 5, it is very acceptable.
Yes. We'll speak on Skype. No problem. Suren, do you have the Skype
Okay, thank
ID?
you so much. Yeah,
Yeah,
I have your
Can
Skype.
you please share me Skype ID so we can discuss?
type ID.
Skype ID, yeah. Or a contact number and Do you have contact, US contact number?
How is the job market now for FICO?
Pardon?
How is the job market now?
Still there is a requirement. FI-CO from scratch, okay, for any implementation, there is a requirement for FI-CO, it's a basic requirement. So,
But they're asking like 5 years, 10 years experience, 2 to 3 life cycle implementation experience.
no. If you having means already completed, okay, all the course and with this, so I don't think so that 3 to 4 year it's maximum for beginner. So Gaurav, that will explain you much about all this thing. Gaurav, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So he's asking about the FI-CO markets and
How to
Yeah,
get
see,
into that?
FICO market is always going to be, yeah, FICO market is always going to be good because there are a lot of opportunities which are keep on coming, because whenever a customer is going for any implementation, any SAP implementation, FICO is something which is must for them. So not only for the experienced guys, there are a lot of opportunities which keeps on coming for the freshers also, because whenever you are going for the project, it is not only the experienced consultants, you also need some uh, freshers so that they can help you out in some of the activities. At the same time, uh, there are opportunities which are definitely coming for freshers also. So eh, I think the job market is, there is no question of having the not so very good job market in SAP FI-CO. It is always going to be there.
But I never seen a openings for junior or mid-level positions. I always senior, always senior.
No. There are a lot of openings. See, what happens normally is the junior positions are not on the, normally they are not on the job sites because they get filled with the reference and all. So if you have some friends, once you complete this training, maybe Zahir can help you out, or maybe if you have the friend contacts, you can just tell them that I just completed this training, and definitely you will land up a job. Because anyways, if the freshers are not getting the chance, how they will get the experience, right? So that is not going to be there.
Yes, sir. Mr. Gaurav?
yes,
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Gaurav, I have a experience to implement of Oracle into my last company. It was a manufacturing unit at there. So, is this experience help me into the getting a job related to Oracle FICO implementation? For example, I can say to my uh, uh, new employer, okay, I'm new in a SAP, but I know I implementation work that I did in my last company. So
Definitely,
did you think
definitely.
this thing can work?
Yes, definitely. So if you are already working on any ERP product, it may not be SAP. It is definitely better than the fresher who is coming without any ERP experience. So that will be
Okay,
considered at some of the places. If you have any experience into ERP, that is definitely a great advantage.
okay, that's good. Thank you so much.
Zahir, I need to log off now. Maybe you can just take from here regarding the timings.
okay. Do you
Okay?
have any more questions, Suren,
Yeah.
Zubair?
No,
Update my position on Skype. Can I leave now?
Yeah, we can discuss about time. Okay, no problem. Okay, time we can
Okay.
adjust.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys. I have
Okay. Thank you.
a call now. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
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 Bye.
Thank you.
I